Hello there, welcome back to your Homespot. Have you ever looked at a rusty strainer and seen a beautiful lantern? Today, we are proving that your kitchen trash is actually garden treasure waiting to be discovered. Get ready to transform your outdoor space with zero budget and 100% creativity using items you already own. Let's dive into these incredible transformations. Transform your evening garden into a magical retreat by rescuing those old metal strainers from the back of your cupboard. When you hang them from tree branches and place a candle or solar light inside, something wonderful happens. The hundreds of tiny drainage holes act like a starry night projector, scattering mesmerizing patterns of light across your patio and lawn. It is a brilliant way to add soft, ambient lighting to your outdoor space without spending a fortune on expensive fixtures. Do not let those scratched or rusty baking pans go to waste when they can become the star of your patio garden. Vintage Bundt pans and muffin tins make absolutely stunning succulent planters because their unique fluted shapes add instant architectural interest to any table display. Just remember, the most important step is drilling a few small holes in the bottom for drainage. The central hole in a Bundt pan even allows you to stack them on poles for a tiered floral masterpiece. There is a unique music hidden in your silverware drawer, just waiting to be released into your garden breeze. By collecting old silver-plated spoons and stringing them together, you can create a wind chime that sounds as beautiful as it looks. The key is to vary the sizes of the spoons to create different tones when they dance together in the wind. As they tarnish over time, they develop a beautiful patina that adds a layer of vintage charm to your porch or pergola. Take your outdoor dining experience to new heights by suspending a collection of colorful colanders above your table. This shabby chic chandelier project turns ordinary pasta strainers into a whimsical lighting feature that screams personality. You can wire them with outdoor safe bulbs or simply use them to hold trailing plants that cascade down like a green waterfall. It is the perfect centerpiece for summer dinner parties, sparking conversation while adding a bright pop of color that contrasts beautifully with natural garden greens. Bring a touch of Alice in Wonderland whimsy to your garden steps by planting tiny blooms in vintage teacups. These delicate vessels are the perfect size for shallow-rooted plants like succulents, violas, or sweet alyssum. You can glue the cup to the saucer for stability and create a scattered tea party effect among your larger pots. It is a fantastic way to display mismatched china that is too chipped for tea, but absolutely perfect for holding a little patch of living color. Keep the beauty of your garden right at eye level by mounting simple mason jars on fences or wooden posts throughout your yard. These glass pockets serve as instant vases, ready to hold the accidental broken stem or a fresh cutting you just could not resist picking. Having water-filled jars handy means you can keep delicate blooms fresh immediately while you work. As the sunlight hits the water and glass, they sparkle like jewels, turning a plain wooden fence into a living gallery wall. Create an enchanted forest floor right in your backyard by flipping old wooden salad bowls upside down. With a coat of bright red paint and some white polka dots, these bowls transform into adorable giant toadstools that look right at home under your shrubs. Mount them on sturdy log stumps or wooden dowels to vary the heights. They add a playful pop of color to shady corners where flowers might struggle to grow, bringing a smile to anyone who discovers your secret fairy garden. Expand the visual space of your small garden by upcycling an old wooden Lazy Susan into a rustic mirror frame. The rotating mechanism might be broken, but the circular wood makes a fantastic, sturdy border for a round mirror. Hanging a mirror on a fence or wall creates an optical illusion that looks like a window into another secret garden, as it reflects the greenery and sky opposite it. This piece adds depth and light to dark corners, making your outdoor space feel twice as big. Embrace the beauty of imperfection by using your most battered cooking pots as heavy-duty outdoor planters. The dents, scratches, and scorched bottoms on old stock pots tell a story and add incredible texture to your patio arrangement. Their deep soil capacity makes them ideal for growing larger vegetables like tomatoes or peppers that need room for roots. When grouped together, the metallic tones of stainless steel, copper, or aluminum create a cohesive industrial look that contrasts beautifully with soft, organic foliage. Get quirky with your garden decor by reimagining a box cheese grater as the body of a whimsical owl or robot. The texture of the grater holes mimics feathers or mechanical parts perfectly, allowing you to build unique characters that guard your veggies. You can attach bottle caps for eyes and fork tines for feet to complete the look. As the metal rusts over time, your sculpture will blend more naturally into the landscape, adding a sense of humor and personality that mass-produced ornaments just cannot match. If you're short on ground space, look no further than an old dish drying rack to help you grow vertically. These wire racks are essentially pre-made trellises with perfect slots for holding small pots of herbs or trailing strawberries. You can mount the rack securely to a sunny wall or fence, instantly creating a multi-tiered garden that keeps your edibles clean and away from ground pests. It is a brilliant example of how functional kitchen storage can become functional garden storage with zero effort. Open the door to imagination by converting a small, discarded spice cabinet into a dream home for garden fairies. The little shelves and existing doors provide the perfect architectural structure for a miniature dwelling nestled at the base of a tree. You can cover the roof with moss, use twigs for trim, and fill the tiny compartments with acorn furniture. It is a magical project that invites closer inspection, turning a forgotten corner of your yard into a storytelling scene that delights children and adults alike. Treat your garden fence like a gallery wall by creating a unified display from mismatched trivets and candle holders. The secret to making these random shapes look like an expensive set is simply a can of spray paint in a bold, single color. When arranged together in a geometric pattern, these iron pieces create a striking visual texture that breaks up large expanses of wood. They are durable, weather-resistant, and add a touch of sophisticated wrought iron elegance to your outdoor living space for just pennies. From musical spoon chimes to whimsical colander planters, we have proven that you do not need a big budget to create a magical garden. It is amazing how looking at ordinary objects with fresh eyes can lead to such stunning results. Which of these upcycled kitchen hacks was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video inspiring, please hit that like button and subscribe to Homespot for more creative home and garden ideas.